Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make cassava flour. Yes, or cassava starch. How to make cassava starch. Yes, or cassava flour, anyone you call it. So this is what we are going to make. Cassava flour has a variety of uses. It can be used as filler in soap making. It can be used as a thickener. It can be used as a powder. Just go to your Google or ChatGPT. Just type uses of starch, cassava starch or cassava flour. You will see a lot of uses of cassava flour or cassava starch. Yes. So what you're going to do is to get your cassava root from the farm or you buy it. Yes. And this starch, the widely use of starch is to use to make your clothes to be strong. Yes. That is one of the uses is used for. You can make it and supply to all these people that is into laundry services. Yes, dry cleaning services. Yes. So what you are going to do is to peel it off like I'm doing now. So just watch the process. It's very easy to make. Yes. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you are welcome. And I would like you to like this video, give an encouraging comment. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to try this out, and then share this video to people that might need it. Because if you share this video, a lot of people are going to see it. You might not need it, but if you share it in your WhatsApp status, your Facebook handles, or your Instagram handle, or your TikTok handle, a lot of people are going to see it, and it will be very, very useful and helpful to them. Do you understand? A lot of people come to YouTube to just watch film. They are not here to learn new things. So you sharing it to them, they will know that yes, there is channel in this YouTube channel which is Crystal DIY, that teach a lot of things, even how to make starch at the comfort of your home. So after making it, what you are going to do is to, after cutting it, removing the back, what you are going to do is to wash it very clean. So after washing it very clean, we are going to cut it. Make sure you remove all the dirt in it. Then I'm going to cut it little by little, pieces it. Yes, I'm going to pieces it like I'm doing now. So like you know, in this channel is all about DIYs. We run training on laundry bar soap production, skincare formulation. We even have ebook that will guide you on that, both on skincare and household products and hair care products. Yes. So this is my cassava, and I'm going to take it to my blender, and I found that my blender is not working, so I have to take it to roadside engine for them to blend it for me. So my blender couldn't blend it. Yes, I don't want to risk it, so I have to take it. But you can cut it little by little, and if your blender is a kind of blender that is kind of thick, strong, you can use it. But my own is not that strong, so I have to take it to roadside people that blend things. So the most important thing there is for you to grind it, blend it to be pieces, grind it very, very well. After grinding it, I found out that it wasn't grinded, and it wasn't grind enough. Like they didn't pieces it enough, so we have to grind it second time. Yes, we have to grind it second time. So make sure that you grind it very, very well, that it pieces it. If you're using your own home blender, I will advise you to piece it very well. It's going to take you a lot of time. Pieces it very, very well for you to do it. So after that, you know, this bag, this mesh bag that you normally use, that is what for akam, the for sieving, that is what I use for this normal bag, normal sieving sieving clothes. It's kind of merch. Just do it as if you're sieving your pap. Do you understand? Yes, that is exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to sieve it like so. So you are going to, after blending it, you are going to keep it to stay like, let's say 2 hours or 3 hours. That is how I do mine. But you can decide to sieve it. Do you understand? Immediately. So this is exactly what I'm doing. So after that, I'm going to remove it, and this, just follow the process. If you watch this video up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and like this video. Please give an encouraging comment. So after this process, what you are going to do is to keep this for 4 hours or 5 hours for it to settle. Do you see what I'm doing? It has settled. The starch is at the bottom of it, and I'm going to remove the water just like this, and this is it. This is our starch. Do you understand? So I'm going to get a cloth just like this. It's a normal way you make your pap. Yes. So I'm going to pour it inside the sieving cloth, just like you see me doing. I'm going to pour it in there, and then I'm going to sieve it like so. So this is actually the bag that I'm using for my pap. So this is what I'm using for it. So after that, I'm going to bring out our starch. At this point, our starch is ready. Can you see it? It's very, very ready. So what I'm going to do now is to get a pan or a plate, kind of, to sun dry it. I'm going to sun dry it. So so this is it. So if you've watched this video up to this level and you haven't subscribed to my channel, God is watching you. Please subscribe so that you'll be seeing a lot of videos, educative videos, that this channel you must learn something, either how to save money or how you can make money